Hello Cancer! Welcome sa ating Tagalog reading para sa buwan ng January 2024. At ako ay si Abby at isa kong intuitive reader. Bago ang lahat, nais kong batiin kayo ng Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa inyong holiday with your loved ones and family. Okay? And sa ating mga new viewers sa channel na to, na ngayon palang nakapanood, welcome po. And sa ating mga current subscribers, maraming salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik sa inyong monthly Tagalog readings. Okay? So, Cancer, isa-shuffle lang muna natin ang mga baraha in front of the camera and I see you guys in few seconds para sa inyong general life reading. Okay? Alright, so welcome back, Cancer, at tingnan natin ang inyong general life reading. At position number 1, ang inyong baraha ay meron kayo agad na 8 of Swords, Cancer. Okay? Sa second position, meron tayong, 8 of Cups. So, dalawang 8, no? Lumabas, Cancer, sa position 1 and 2. At position 3, meron tayong, 6 of Swords. Position 4, Major Arcana, the Magician. Position number 5, Major Arcana, the Tower. So, dalawang 8 sa simula at meron ka na Magician and Tower. At 4th and 5th position, sa pang-anim meron tayong Page of Swords. And at the center, Cancer, sa inyong general life to, no? At meron tayong 3 of Wands. Okay. So, umpisahan na natin sa maaaring mag-resonate sa inyong family situation, sa career, financial situation, or even mga personal relationship, friendship, and other situations. Okay? So, I would say na may bagay tayo na feeling natin, strapped tayo mentally, no? Paulit-ulit natin iniisip. Hindi mapakawala ng ating mga isipan yung mga situations na yon. Maaari ding medyo may stress tayo, no? Kung nandun lang tayo sa isang thought na ayaw nating i-let go. So, yung sinasabi dito, maybe free up your mind, especially ngayong January, sa mga negative thoughts, negative thinking, pagiging pessimistic, and sa mga situation na alam natin wala tayong control, pero hinuhold natin sa ating mga pag-iisip. Okay? Yung kailangan mo ipagpatuloy though dyan, connected to feeling ko dun sa position number 1 mo, may 8 of Cups ka, no? And then yung position number 2 mo, no? Kasi yung position number 1 mo, 8 of Swords. So, ang sinasabi dito is about time, no? Na mag-walk away na tayo dun sa mga sitwasyon na hindi na nakakapagpasaya sa atin, Cancer. Okay? Ang sinasabi dito, if emotionally sad ka lagi, yung mga situation na to na lagi kang nalulungkot or pinapalungkot ka nila, hindi ka na masaya, no? Emotionally, then it's about time na hanapin mo yun elsewhere. Okay? Nasa manifestation mo, sinasabi na mangyayari lamang to the moment na mag-start ka na magkaroon ng movement and changes sa buhay mo, na willing ka nang iwan yung mga bagay na disappoint sa'yo, nasaktan yung damdamin natin, you know, and mga pagtatalo, yung chaos and conflict. Kung willing ka nang iwanan yan, it's about time na rin. So, sa manifestation, mangyayari lang yun once na ready ka na mag-move on to better times. Okay? Parang ready ka na magkaroon ng journey or mag-travel, no? It could be physical din, mga physical changes or movement from one place to another location. Pwede rin na changes sa buhay mo. Okay? It's just better times are coming ahead sa manifestations po. So, huwag tayo matakot na mag-manifest ng mga simula na magkakaroon tayo ng peace of mind. Okay? Yan ang 6 of Swords. Okay? Ngayon, sa 4th position, meron tayong Magician. So, yung current energies ngayon, like I said, no, may energy ka na gusto mong mangyari. Mga manifestations, mga external energies to, na maaaring maka-influence ni sa'yo para mag-manifest tayo or mag-attract tayo ng mga bagong energies sa buhay natin. Like I said, it can only happen pag pinili mo ang kapayapaan. Okay, yung 6 of Swords. I-let go natin yung mga situation or na toxic sa atin at hindi nakakabuti. Connections man yun or situations na dapat mo nang i-break. Okay? So, ang current energies mo dapat sa January, yung external influences mo maaaring maka-apekto sa'yo is yung manifestation. May manifestation energy, no? Na parang dinedesire mo or may mga energies na nakakatulong sa'yo para magsimula at bumangon kang muli. Okay? Parang gusto mo mag-attract ng mga bagong energies, mga bagong changes and simula. So, ang manifestations are good, just that hindi mo alam kung ano pa yung maaari magkaroon ng bagong simula for 2024. Pero, ang maganda doon, be ready to entertain possibilities. Okay? Ngayon, yung kailangan mo ibigay sa sarili mo, be prepared sa January. Kasi may major arcana ka, no? May magician, and then may tower ka. Sa position number 5 mo, Cancer. Okay, be ready sa mga shocking and surprises na hindi mo inaasahan. Hindi to something na kontrolado mo or ginusto. It's just, nakasulat na kasi na ito ay mangyayari. Okay? May mga sitwasyon kasi na alam mo may free will tayo, may mga bagay na wala tayong control. Na it's out of our control, kailangan natin tanggapin for what it is at face value. So, be ready for shocking endings, surprises, and shake-up. Okay, yan dyan ang tower. Kung ano man yan, sa area ng buhay mo, could be personal relationships or sa career man, or business situations, be ready lang, no? Something will collapse, okay? May something ka siguro na binuild over time and at the same time, masashock tayo that something's kailangan mag-shaken up or magtapos, okay? Or manibago, or sabihin na natin gumuho para makapagsimula ng mas magandang foundation, okay? Yun lang naman sa January 2024, Cancer. Okay, just be prepared for changes and shocking news or events and situations, okay? Now, ang new beginnings mo, ang maganda dito is that may mga papasok mga news, information, and communication. So, sinasabi na be receptive to communication. Huwag tayong mag-block ng mga communication kahit sa anong area ng buhay mo. Sa mga business partnership, relationships, even workmates or trabaho. Okay? So, magiging mas communicative ka dapat for January 2024. Communication, ang key sa mga bagong simula. Okay? Ngayon, and also, syempre, always choose peace and kapayapaan para sa January 2024. Kasi, diyan mag-uumpisa yung mga manifestations and possible beginnings mo. Ngayon, sa lessons learned, nandyan ang 3 of Wands, Cancer. Okay? Sa lessons learned mo, nararamdaman ko na kasi nasa position number 2 mo may 8 of Cups. So, may quest ka, no? May hinahanap ka, may journey ka na gusto mong timplahin o hanapin na talaga makakapagpasaya sa'yo. Kasi sometimes yung puso natin, alam natin kung ano yung mga dididesire, mga wants natin. So, I felt strongly, it has something to do sa position number 2 mo. At sa position number 1. Itong si 3 of Wands. Okay? May tao na nag-make up ng decision dito. Okay? It's either fully nag-walk away tayo, nag-transition tayo, no? So, may decision na ginawa ka, okay? Kasi nasa lesson learned to at the center, sa past mo, 2023, or past years yan, or past few months in 2023, mga nagdaang taon at mga buwan na may pinili na tayong landas na tatahakin, okay? But ang pinili natin na landas na yon is something na hindi pa tayo sigurado. Parang it's a journey. Okay? Pinili mo pumasok sa isang landas na may lalakbayin pa, pero yung outcome hindi pa natin sigurado. So, nag-aantay pa tayo ng end result, ng reward, ng outcome doon. Okay? Pwedeng, it's about, like I said nga, no, transition, physical, travel. Okay? Natutunan natin. Or a physical change sa location, or ikaw mismo nagkaroon ka ng parang transformation. Okay? So, ang natutunan mo dito is that there are things na kailangan bigyan na ng decision. Okay? Kahit ano pa yung outcome na yan, dahil yung situation na is asking you to have a decision to move forward. Yun yung natutunan mo doon. Kasi it's out of your control. Okay, there are things na out of your control na kailangan may accept. That's why may 6 of Swords ka dito. Yung situation is forcing you to make some changes and movement, Cancer. Okay? Huwag ka magpaka-stuck sa mga situation na alam mong nai-stress tayo mentally and emotionally. Yun yung natutunan natin dito. Regardless kung saan ka patutungo, unsure man yan, Ang importante is that you keep going, Cancer. Okay? So, sana, Cancer, nag-resonate kayo sa inyong general life reading sa buwan ng January 2024. It's a perfect time to make some transition and room for changes para sa iyo since it's New Year. And maybe itong energy ng January, ng New Year 2024, yun yung vibe na nararamdaman mo ngayon. Okay? Bagong simula, bagong taon. So, i-clarify natin naman ang inyong love reading up next, Cancer, and I see you guys in few seconds, okay? I-shuffle lang muna natin ang mga cards in front of the camera. Hi again, Cancer. Sa gawin na natin ang inyong love reading sa buwan ng January 2024 Collective Cancer. For whoever will resonate dito, guys. Okay? Feel free to reverse the energy. At position number 1, Cancer, meron kang Major Arcana, Empress. Okay? Sa January 2024 mong love situation, meron ka ring Knight of Wands. Meron kang Four of Swords, King of Swords, okay, and Two of Swords. So, dominant energy source, you could be dealing with Libra, Aquarius, Gemini, may Wands ka rin. May isa dito, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and Empress. Okay, Aries to, in traditional tarot, but for me, kasi ang Empress is all the queens, so for me, she's balanced, no? Medyo may pagka-Libra energy. I always say this sa lahat ng readings, okay? Ngayon, sa January 24, this is the perfect time na makapag-grow ka ng mga personal relationships or even sa love. Okay? I would say na in January 2024 mo, it's not really a perfect time for a love relationship. It's more like getting to know people. And then may energy ka rin dito na parang mas priority mo yata right now yung sarili mo. Medyo may cautious energy ka, no? I think you're protecting your heart and more on sa mind space mo. Okay, and we see it naman doon sa position number 1 mo sa general reading. Nandun agad yung 8 of Swords, okay? But anyway, nasa period ka of resting. Yung heart mo, yung maybe sa relationships as well. Okay, personal, friendship, or even sa love mo. Okay, with your person. So, right now, ayaw mong mag-make ng mga decisions or move when it comes to your love space. Okay? Kasi nandiyan ang Two of Swords, you want to be neutral. Okay? Mas attuned ka sa mind mo more than your heart. And then, pa pumasok na King of Swords. Kasi si King of Swords, hindi to emotional na tao. No? So, sa love situation mo, medyo detached ka right now when it comes sa mga maybe people, you date people na gusto mong kilalanin or people na may interest ka. Okay? So, itong tatlong to. Ngayon, meron pa rin still na someone interested na maaaring pumasok sa January 2024 sa'yo. And you have to be careful dito kasi si Knight of Wands to. They come in and they come out, okay? Kasi fire energy, hindi consistent ang person na to. Maaaring sa isang situation, gusto ka nila at the moment, nagpe-fizzle out, nagpe-flicker, no? Yung dala nilang passion or interest sa'yo. It's not a consistent energy. So, that's the reason siguro why hindi tayo masyadong detached or invested for January. Although, maraming potential ang January sa'yo to nurture yung mga personal relationships mo, Cancer, okay? Kasi nandiyan ang Empress. Okay, let's take a look na. I-clarify lang natin yung mga cards na to para sa Cancer. Isa-isa. So, we can get yung buong narrative ng love spread mo. Okay? Yun yung from the get-go na nararamdaman ko, Cancer. Okay? Now, let's clarify. Empress, clarified ng the Lover's card. See? Knight of Wands, meron tayong, lumabas na naman si Six of Swords sa position number 3 mo to kanina sa manifestations. Okay? You choose to move on, no? To better times. Okay? Yun ang gusto mo. Peaceful. Ayoko na ng stress. Ayoko ng delusions. Ayoko ng mind games. Then, may major arcana, the Hermit ka. Sinuport tong Four of Swords mo. Makes sense. Si Lovers mo, major arcana. Sinuport din niya si Empress. Major arcana. Diba? in alignment yung sinabi natin kanina sa mga clarifier. Ngayon si King of Swords, ayan, may major arcana si Magician, lumabas to sa 4th position mo, sa manifestation or external energy. So, maaaring yung first reading mo in general life, pwede rin pertaining sa iyong personal relationships or even sa love situation mo. Okay? And then, si Two of Swords, kinlarify ni, Knight of Pentacles. So, you want to take things slow, no? Yung person na you're connecting with, medyo mabagal. May Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Earth element energy tong parang yun, hindi tayo nakakapag-make up fully ng mind natin whether to come with an offer or not. Di ba? Kung gusto natin mag-offer or come in a relationship with a person, hindi pa sigurado yon kasi slow and steady. Slow and steady win the race. Mas maganda na take it slow. Okay? Huwag padalos-dalos sa relationship dito. Okay? Yung offer na to, I think, pinaplano, niluluto to na parating ka doon or parating na kayo doon, but it's just that parang walang kailangan mag-apura. Okay? Sometimes maganda yung kalmado lang darating yung ating pag-ibig, no? Na hindi natin namamalayan na ito na pala yun all along. Diba? Okay? So, may indecisiveness din about dun sa connection na to kung ito na ba talaga. Okay? Kasi si Knight of Pentacles mabagal, hindi nagmamadali. Pero sure na may tangible na kayang ibigay na commitment. Okay, ngayon yung may na-manifest mo dito, si Magician nga, ito si King of Swords. No? So, medyo yung manifestations mo lately or yung person mo nga, medyo kalmado sila, no? Mas attuned sa utak, sa isip, mas logical than emotional. And yung manifestations, it could also be an advice na pag magmamanifest tayo ng mga romantic interest or romantic partner sa atin, no, yung kailangan nating i-attract, approach it also na parang practical din tayo. Sa mind din natin, be more realistic. Parang ganun than idealistic. Okay, so nag-take a break, pwedeng ikaw o yung person mo, pwedeng may pause din sa connection ninyo, ceasefire. Kasi may reflection or parang pag-aaral na kailangan tayong gawin. So, searching, no? Four of Swords, the Hermit, nag-hiatus. Pagdating sa dating scene, pagdating sa pag-ibig. As in, pwede rin period of no contact kung nandun ka sa sitwasyon na nasa dating stage or getting to know kayo. Okay? Like I said, may pause, may delay, may parang no contact kasi nandyan nga si Two of Swords at si Knight of Pentacles. So, hindi tayo sure kung kailangan natin ipagpatuloy or i-continue ito. Okay, manifestation, mas logical tayo kasi ngayon, done yung parang puro puso ang pinapairal. Okay? Ngayon, ang Six of Swords dito, better times, no? You're moving to better times. Yan si Six of Swords, kalmado. Now, it could be, ikaw to, then ready ka ng finally na may in love pag naka-heal ka na, naka-move on ka na, no? Or it could also be may paparating na person na gusto makipag-reconcile sa'yo, gustong maayos yung situation. Okay? Dalawang way to read that. Ngayon, like I said, ito ang perfect time, January, na mag-entertain ng growth sa love mo, love life mo, sa love situation and personal relationship or to be intimate. Kasi, si Empress mo binakapan ng Lovers card. So, may choice to make dito, no? About a connection. Okay? Whether you want to nurture or not. Pero, I feel like parang, the one you're connecting with, yung kinoconnect mo ngayon na tao, no? Or, dinidate mo or getting to know. Yung person of interest mo na lang. Sabihin natin gano'n. I think naman, mutual. Yung feelings. Or yung interest, and you cannot make up, no? Kasi ang Lovers is a strong soul connection. So, meron ka namang bond with this person. May potential to grow, but it's just that baka may mga obstacle lately na nangyayari in the past kung existing person to. Or kung new person to, medyo na-cautious ka lang kasi may natutunan tayong lesson from the past experiences. Okay? So, sana nag-resonate din kayo sa inyong love situation, Cancer, sa buwan ng Enero 2024. I see you guys in the next month reading. Take care. God bless. Mahal ko kayo, Cancer. Bye!